Hi! I am your balloon teacher, Cindy Popaloon. Now, we are going to make a small carrot. You can prepare a pair of scissors. Cut off this part. The remaining length is 9 centimeters. Then we use this pump. Hand pump to inflate a bit. Blow it up as big as possible. Then release the air. Next, blow it up again. Just like this. Now, tie a knot. Okay. After tying the knot, use a green 260 balloon. Inflate it. Once, twice. After inflating, you can massage it a bit. Let it shrink a little. Make it more elastic, not too stiff. Then we make a small petal. Bend it down like this. Grab this point, then twist. Hold it, then twist it in. Push it in. Or, if you want it tighter, you can tie a knot. Then, the length of this is for centimeters. The size is for centimeters. Make one more. Same size. A small difference is fine. Okay, you can twist it here, or twist it here, it's fine too. Then make one more. Press and twist it once, okay? Twist it once. You can also twist it directly like this. Now you have 3 of these. Then, you can cut off the extra part and release the air. Tie a knot. Then you can take this small carrot and twist it around a few times. Cut off the excess part. Now you have a small carrot. Then you can take this pen. Draw a bit. Okay. Draw here. You can also draw at the back. Like this. Now the small carrot is done.